Hello. Guess what I'm standing on?
Guys, uploading na mo ang i-cover na sila, uploading na to, so pag-comment sila dito, na sila.
Uploading na to atong video, so mag-comment na dito, and also make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Kay daghan unta may og subscribers 47 unta mi dayon na-delete man ang among account sa YouTube. Can you please subscribe balik? Let's go. Bye-bye. Joke right, di pa tayo bye-bye. So with ada ta. Guess what I'm standing on? Go. What am I standing on? Don't let them cheat, okay? Like and subscribe with the comment and the below. I'm just joking. So, what I'm standing on is a scooter. See, let them see, Christine. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Ah! And guess what I am?
Guess her name.
Yeah, guess what I did?
Me too.
I'll give you clues. My name starts with the letter A, and she's name starts with the letter C. Comment below, and I will tell you until you comment down.
Ang gatong taan po. This old nato.
Hi.
Old, younger, kasi younger.
Yeah, and also remember. Huh?
Bayad tubig dito.
Wait, I'm gonna. Mama, naitaw.
Hi pa. This is my dad. It is my dad. That is my dad.
So I'm back?
That is my dad.
Yeah, and my dad's sleeping already.
He's a younger and
Who's the oldest? Oh my god!
Kinsa ko taana mo. Kasi pangana mo.
Yeah, and also, what is our grades?
Yeah.
You need to guess it without our
And my
ages.
birthday.
And also my birthday. Remember my birthday, or you're getting rocket kicks.
Okay. Di ato ingon ang number break. Ato iingon ang months. Ako May. Sa iya kay January.
So what is it?
So kamo na lang ang magpili og
Year and the number.
yeah. Kaya ato naman giingon ato ang months.
Yeah, that's okay.
Sige.
We say one,
Play na
and you'll
break.
say two, and you'll say three, and you'll say four, and you'll say five.
Pag play makaka.
Okay.
Let's go guys.
What are we gonna play? I got deleted also in TikTok, so I guess my videos are never longer available. Can you like and subscribe to warm me up? Please. He's a fit me what to say. Let's go. What are we going to play? We're gonna play the floor is lava.
You play Lupa Langit.
Oh, okay, but how can we play Lupa Langit? There's no chairs.
Here and here.
But that is my dad's lagunan, and if we make a salad with that, we are dead with that.
You sure, bro?
Yeah, basically sure.
Guys, na-post na to ang vlog, first vlog na mo. Kisa akong younger. Comment niyo kasi younger na mo o kung sa among birthday days.
If you will get wrong, then I'll shoot you.
No!
I'm just kidding, bro.
Guys, my birthday and my name and my all. Kasi all
Because I'm crappy. So stop talking to me.
Yeah. Stop do that, bro.
Who is also the name of these dogs on here? Show them, Christine.
That's one.
What What is the name of that, guys?
And asa mi nagtuyo, guys.
Yeah.
Guys, i-comment
Let's
niyo.
go. Hataga sa choice. Sige. A. Sunrise Place, Agus, Lapu-Lapu City. B. Marigudod, Agus, Lapu-Lapu City.
Ako na po. Sino ka na?
Oh.
C. Malinaw, Agos, Lapu-Lapu City. D. Or Mindanao City.
Oh, okay. Let's go and see. So, Mama, naitaw! Mama, naitaw!
Di pa nga ano yung mga dog lang, guys. Dogs. Hinay, mali yung question, mali yung answeran, guys. I-comment niyo ang samang name, ang samang edad,
O sa asa to believe?
kinsa mo ang younger, so ang say pangan ang mga dog,
O asa to believe?
asa ta mo leaves.
Dayon na sa among birthday.
It's among birthday. Ang nag-6 ka book inyong i-comment diha.
Ow! Naghatag mo ng choices atong class to.
Hatag ang choices sa katong taas.
Ayaw na gid mo mag-refuse ana kay naghatag na mo choice. Ayaw na gid mo. Ayaw na gid mo.
Ay, pa, taan man dito na, kanang birthday man to, mahatag taan nila choice. Choices mo, mahatag to nila. Sa mga question natin. Sige, first, kay isa younger.
Hasa.
Isa younger na mo, duha. Sige, A, ako. B, siya. Guys, nasa kami. Pili na mo diha, A or B. So, number 2. Ano sa ito? Birthday na to. Mas among birthday. Kita luan na ta mo. A, May, ako, or Aubrey. A, May, iya, ha? Kung ano po, May, me. Ako, May ko siya kay January. Pero ang taan lang.
Numbers og ang years.
Ang number
Sige.
of years.
A.
Duha
26, 2019.
B.
Dahil duha ka answers ani.
B.
Ay,
B. 9, 2015. C. 20, 2006.
Or D. Or D.
27,
1948.
Okay. 1948 is unsa ang birthday na duha pili guys, duha. 2 ka buok. Pwede na po C o D yung pilion sa duha ka buok letter yun ko. Kay duha man ni. Guys. So, ano po ito? Place man naman place no. Ay name sa dog.
Sige.
Question sa answer.
A. Kongkong. Ang mga tinuod na lang nila na name. Wala may tinuod na name.
Sige. A. Kongkong. B. Francis.
D. Rambo.
Saot lang.
Idalihatag lang na
A. Kongkong. B. Francis.
D.
C.
C.
Rambo.
Francine. Oh, Rambo. D. yun ang D. Francine.
Unsa daha Francine or Francis may S. Pili mo di.
Or Rambo or Kongkong.
Pili duha ka buk ang pilion. Two gahapon yung pilion guys na letters. So, itong pinaka-last, mana ang years old, mana ang birthday, mana ang place, mana alang ilahang taan, sana mana ilahang
Birthday.
mana ilahang name.
Oh,
So,
man na lang birthday.
itong name, mana.
Atong name. Wala pa.
Guys, ang name, guys, A, ako sa una. Papili mo sa ko, papili lang sa mo ang duha. A, Christine. D. Oponi. B. Aubrey. E. El Nidolan.
D. C. Ako lang si Muha.
C.
Crystal Chloe D. Malubay.
Or D.
Aubrey L.
Or D. Francine. Isa.
Yeah.
Pili mo dyan, guys. Two gyapon pilihan niyo, guys. Two gyapon na letter.
Christine or Crystal? Or
Francine
Francine or Aubrey?
Pili mo, guys. Comment po, guys, please. Sa pag ito, Bri, di ba 6 man ito kabuok, Bri?
Oh.
Sa pag ito, place, mana.
Oh.
Birthday month,
Mana.
mana. Name nato, mana.
Mana.
The name sa mga dogs, mana. Sa pag ito,
The place we live?
manaman. Atong edad,
Oh, sige.
manaman.
Ha?
Atong edad, mana. Sa pa din lahas. Sa pa din lahas.
What's pa ba dito, eh? Karag. Katong kisa youngest.
Ay, okay, sa youngest na mo, guys.
Si Christine or ako?
Manaman to. Murag manatanan, guys.
Oh, mana.
Guys, may sure guys kung nahuman ba na mo tayo ang mga question, pero kung wala naman nahuman, guys, pwede ra ka mo mag-answer.
Sige, so bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys, and please answer this all six questions. Please, guys, answer in the comment section.
And after, if you have to add the questions that you will ask us, then we will just answer. So thank you,
Thank you,
and let's do the post. Yes. Bye.